Hey guys, welcome back to my video.
Girls.
Guys and girls, welcome back to my video. This one is about a hearing test. So it's not like 50 likes, blah 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 blah. It's like, anyways, you'll see. Alright, so if you can't hear this, you're deaf. No offense to the deaf people, because respect, they're good people. Everybody is, but yeah, you can't. You could have heard that, everybody, right?
I could definitely hear that.
Okay, the next one.
But I'm not giving you as a face reveal just yet.
Talia, they already know their face.
I know, but I'm not giving them another one.
Talia, they could just go to another video. Anyways.
Well, I don't care. I'm still not.
You can hear-ish. You can hear, but like you're still kind of deaf.
Because I did my hair very good, and I'm not showing them.
You can see the back of your head, and it was so naughty.
I don't care. No, I did my front hair.
Not average, but like close to average. Okay, this is average.
Oh.
Wait, could you hear that, guys? Because like, wait. Could you hear that? And not human. And you're the imposter. It's barely open.
I could hear that.
Bro?
I could.
I can't even hear it, and I'm close to it. Well, I can like barely feel it, but not hear it. Anyways, guys, we're gonna film the next videos. Oh, get off! What the hell?
Bye, Sigma.
Anyways, stop.
Bye, Skibbity Sigmas. Hope you have a Skibbity Sigma day.
Goodbye, guys, and see you later.